How to fix verification code not received on ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix verification not received on ChatGPT. So for that case, you just have to go ahead and log in into your account, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So if you're unable to get your verification code or you're not able to receive your code on ChatGPT, then what you have to do is, for that case, you can go ahead and press on resend option located right at the bottom, or just press the send button, and when you actually do that, the email is going to be sent. And next thing what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and enter in the verification code. If you're unable to locate or find that sort of interface, then what you need to do is you can go ahead and check your file on your spam folder or on a junks folder. You could go ahead and look for it, and you should be able to fix the verification code on your ChatGPT. So moving on to the next step, then you could also go ahead and ask to resend the ChatGPT code. You just have to press on it, and then you should be able to get the verification code on ChatGPT. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.